Hey, good morning, everyone. So, as you know, we mainly use two indicators. One is this TI2, technical indicator 2, and then we use beta algo. Beta algo gives us the buy and sell signals, and also it shows where we have strong support and strong resistance zones. And then we have TI2 indicator, which tells us when it is overbought or oversold. Right? For example, today morning it went to the overbought zone. So if it is in the at the top area, that means price is overbought now. So this is the best time where you can do bear call spreads, right? One is you can do puts or you can even do bear call spreads. If you want low risk, you can do bear call spreads. Or whenever it comes to this area, that means it is oversold area, you can do calls or you can do bull put spreads. For any ticker, whether it is for stocks, options, currencies, whatever it is, the concept is same. We will wait for price to come to this area or this area. If it comes to this area, then there is a high possibility for a drop. If it comes to this area, there is a high possibility for a bounce back. Whenever this comes to this area, you want to wait for a sell signal. Or if price comes to this area, we want to wait for a buy signal, right? Because when it is overbought, we want to wait for sell signal from the beta algo. So this is one which is telling us whether it is overbought or oversold area. And for example, here it came to the oversold and then we got a sell signal. Then price dropped nearly 70-80 points down. Again, it came all the way to the support zone, and then once market opened, NQ started bouncing up. It went so much high, and then it touched the resistance, and then it started dropping. So, right, if it is somewhere in between, avoid those tickers. Wait for the ticker or look for the tickers where we have either it should be at the top or it should be at the bottom. Those are the best tickers, whether you want to buy stocks or futures or options. So now it is somewhere in between. And one more thing you need to remember is whenever you have a sell signal, it goes down, tries to go up. Again, this red line will act as a resistance. It tried to go up, again it brought the price down. Again, it tried to go down, it brought the price down. It is trying to go up, again it may bring the price down. So unless this line is becomes green, until that time the NQ is bearish. Yeah. For example, if this breaks this line and this line from red it becomes green, again that means that stock is bullish or the ticker is bullish. So we have another indicator which will help us to identify which tickers are bullish, which tickers are bearish. For example, if you look at, we have something called as DSFS or DS1A, which will tell us, like, for example, it is telling crude oil is bullish and it is at all the way at the top. So yesterday, if you attended the session, I said, like, right, whenever there's a war situation, crude oil, you can always go long on crude oil. The crude oil is moving so high. So crude oil is bullish, natural gas is also bullish, and at the premium means it is all the way at the top. Discount means it is all the way at the bottom. Right? For example, if I go to crude oil, so price from nearly $70, it went all the way to $74 this morning. So now it is at a premium zone. That means there is a, for example, if it goes again to the top, there might be a small drop on crude oil. So this particular indicator also gives us where there are major sell order blocks. So this DS1A, right? Again, it is similar to price pulse. Only thing is, so these are where the big players are buying, right? So if you have a discount zone and also you see lot of these big buy orders or big players are buying, that means that is a good time to go long. For example, if crude oil goes somewhere here, 74.2, there might be a big drop again. So now heating oil is also very bullish. RB1 is also. So we know crude oil, heating oil, RB1, all of them move in the same direction. So, so for example, if I go to heating oil, so heating oil also from the bottom, it went all the way to the top. Now, if it goes somewhere here around 2.27, there can be a big drop. So what you can do now, so you can create a notification on this, right? Because there is a possibility we saw that it moved all the way from bottom to the top, and there is some big players are trying to put limit orders here. They want to take the profits because this made such a move. So for example, now you want to, right, create a notification that you want to, whenever there is a sell signal, right, you can put on sell signal or you can put on all by all sell signals, and you are telling that whenever we receive a sell signal on this one, send us a notification. In the same way for crude oil also, it went so much high. We can also create a, so we know that it moved so much high, right, overnight, made such a high. So price never will try, right, keep on going up. It will go from discount to premium and then it will drop. Again, minimum it will come to 50% point and then it may bounce back. Or if it is at the discount, it may go minimum 50% and then come back. So we want to identify. So this will help us to know which are at the top, which are at the bottom. So for example, heating oil is at top, RB is at the top, CL is at top. So you can create alerts on those. So in the same way, right? Not only for futures, for example, you also want to do for some stocks. You want to identify which stocks are overbought, which stocks are oversold. Right? Otherwise, you have to go to each one and look for which are at the top, which are at the bottom. So, for example, here if you see Nvidia is at the top zone. Let us go to Nvidia and check. Nvidia from yesterday, $119. It went all the way to 124, came to 50%, right? Because there are a lot of sell orders here. A lot of big players are booking the profits. So it came all the way down and again trying to bounce back. So if it goes back here, there might be, again, there might be a drop. The same way, let us look at Meta. Meta is also at the top. Right? It went all the way from the discount area to the premium area. So one is you can create alerts on those ones, or you can also go to price pulse and see. We know that sellers are trying to sell, but if there is a huge sell order, that will give us more confidence. Let us look at Nvidia. So Nvidia, you can see there is nearly 81,000 sell order block here, right? So there are nearly 81,000 stocks they want to sell at this particular price. So now all we need to do is wait for price to touch that. If it does a double top, right? It came down and again buyers are trying to take it up. If it comes to this price, there can be a big drop here, right? So we need to wait for the Nvidia to go and touch this, and then if we see a red candle or if we see a sell signal on beta, we can buy puts on Nvidia. That will make nice profits, right? Meta is also overbought, but here we don't see a big sell order, right? Only we see 780, 769, which is not a big quantity, not a huge quantity. So we don't need to worry much about that, right? We can ignore Meta. Let us look at some other tickers. Okay, Apple is at a discount zone. Amazon is at a discount zone. Tesla is a discount zone. Costco is in the premium zone. So premium means it is overbought. It will come down. Now if I look at Costco into this 868 and bouncing up. It is close to the premium zone. So when it came to the discount, we had a big buy order block. It moved all the way up. So here we have around 1.69 sell orders, but it's not a huge number, right? So we can avoid it. Maybe it may drop a little bit, but there may not be a huge or sudden big drop. So like that, this will help us to identify, right? Or you can set whichever tickers you want. It will give us, right? For example, if I go here, I can modify these stickers whichever I want. Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, Amazon, Meta, CG, TSM, whichever you want, you can change them. Whether you want stocks, options, futures, currencies. And then out of all those stickers, it will tell which ones are at the bottom and which ones are at the top. And once we see that, then we can identify, okay, is it a good one to go long? Is it a good one to go short? We will also look at the confluence. If we also see a, right, for example, here for Costco, we see there is these big players are trying to sell. So if Costco comes to this price, we may see a drop. So if it goes little bit up, then we may see a big drop. We can buy Costco puts. Let us just wait for one more candle. You can also look at Walmart. So Walmart also, you can see that it came to the discount area, went all the way to the top. Now it is trying to come down. But here we can see 5.8 sell orders, 12.9 sell orders. There is a huge sell orders by big players. So if price goes little bit up, then there can be a huge drop. Right? Even from here also, we can have a drop. But yeah, Costco, Walmart are looking very bearish. So, so if it is bearish and also at a premium zone, that means it is a bearish ticker when it moved to the top, right? If it is a bearish and if it is at the top, that is the best opportunity. If it is bullish and if it is at the bottom, that is the best opportunity. So here we can do a bear call spread on Walmart. Let me see which one is good. Because when you do a bear call spread, if it immediately starts dropping, we'll make nice profits. Even if it goes little bit up, and then start dropping also, we'll make nice profits. Right, so Walmart, we can either we can buy the puts or if you want, you can buy next week put October 11th, 80 puts around 79 cents, 78 cents. Walmart 80 put for 78 cents for October 11th. So you can do prop firm trading with stocks, options, futures, anything. So prop firm trading means where you are not using your own money. And all you need to do is, so first thing is the scanner gave us which tickers are good ones to look at. Then we saw a few tickers. We saw that Walmart is a bearish ticker. Overall trend is bearish. And also it is at a premium zone. Right? That means it is at a high price. So there is, so if a bearish ticker is at a bottom, right? Generally bottom area is to buy, top area is to sell. And if a ticker is also bearish and if it is a top, that is good opportunity. So there is a high possibility for Walmart to come all the way to minimum 79.8 or 79.6, where again there are buyers. So we can hold Walmart puts until tomorrow or right, until it comes to this point. It may happen today itself or by tomorrow we may see Walmart somewhere here. So Microsoft is the overall trend is bullish and it is at a discount area. So if something is bullish and if it is a discount, that is a good opportunity, right? If something is bearish and if it is at a premium area, that is a good opportunity. So Microsoft. So also we need to look for a confluence. So scanner is telling Microsoft can go up. Okay, you can see that it came to the discount area, right? From all the way from the top. It came to the bottom. And also there are a lot of buyers here. 22,000 buyers, 4,000 buyers. So there is a high possibility for Microsoft to go up. But let us wait for, right? As of now, there is a lot of bearish candles. Let us wait for some good bullish candle, and then we can buy the calls, or we can do a bull put spread. Right? Always, whenever you want to buy, your NQ should be in a bullish mode, or in a, it should be going up. As of now, we see that NQ is coming down. That means there is high possibility for most of the stocks to drop. If NQ is in a green color, this is green color, then we can, at that point of time, we can buy Microsoft calls. Now you don't need to go to each and every chart. Already it is telling which ones are good to buy, which ones are Microsoft bullish discount or bearish premium. They are the best combinations. Let us look in futures if we have anything like that. Yes, is a bullish and at a discount, right? You can see yes, overall trend is bullish. Now it came to the discount area. So now let us go to ES. You can see that from premium it came all the way to the bottom. And there are 34,000 buyers, right? 34,000 orders here. That means there is a high possibility for ES to move up. So what we can do, I can go here and I can do a, so yes. Either you can take trades in 5 minutes, or you can, if you are a swing trader or right a day trader, you don't want to take too many trades, you can, but wait for this one to turn to green. As of now, it is trying to bounce, but still this is red. So there might be a possibility it will go up and again come down. Only when this line is green, that is a very good bullish opportunity. So you can, whenever this line turns to green, this line turns to green, we can go long on ES in the 5 minutes, and you can hold it for 300 $400 profit on each prop firm account. If you have five PA accounts, right? There are some firms like Tradify, Fast Track Trading, which are directly giving you performance accounts. That means you can start making real money from day one. But only thing is, wait for the right setup. Right? We see that it is telling that it is at a discount area. It is starting to bounce up. But let us wait for the proper confluence. Right? So, and you can also, if ES is moving up, or if ES came all the way to the bottom, there are a lot of buyers here. So there is very low possibility for price to go all the way down, right? Because 34,000 orders means, so buyers are trying to go up, some sellers are trying to bring it down. But again, there are a lot of, right? All the orders will not get filled at same time. They are keeping limit orders that I want to buy ES at 57.32, 57.33. So whenever price comes here, again it will bounce. So you can do a bull put spread here, right? That means you are expecting ES to go up or SPY to go up. So if I do a bull put spread like this is a strong support, it came to the discount area. October 4th, if I do a bull put spread, so now SPY is around 567. If I do, you want to sell 567 and I want to buy 565. So for tomorrow, I want to buy 567 and I want to buy 565 puts. SPY, sell 567 put and buy 565 put and collect $80 for October 4th. Right? Because there is a huge orders here. Even if price comes little bit down, again it will bounce back. So as long as price stays above 565, we'll make profits tomorrow. Then there is a huge possibility because overall it is a bullish trend. It came down, it will go up. So the advantage with bull put spread is even if it stays choppy also, we'll make profits. If it goes up, we'll make profits. Even if it goes little bit down also, we'll make profits. We see that there are a lot of buyers here. So there is a very low possibility stock going below this price. Right? Already today morning it went all the way to the top. There was some profit booking, so it came down and again trying to bounce back. So we can take that bull put spread. And once we get this, right, for example, if this becomes green, this becomes green, then we can also buy the calls at that point of time. Bull put spread, we can, right, even because the risk is low, we can enter bull put spread now. For calls, we can wait until this line turns green. We can, at that point, we can go long. In the same way in Q also. We have a support here. So if price comes here, then it can bounce back strong. Yeah, at the same time, you can make money with stocks, options, futures. Right? For example, let us say NQ is going up. So NQ is overall a bullish ticker. Right? If you see these colors, they are green. is overall a bullish ticker. It came this morning, it came to the bottom, it went all the way up. Again, it came to the bottom, again trying to go up. Right? You can see it is a discount zone. That means buyers are ready to buy it. There are a lot of buy orders here, right? Big companies want to buy 86,000, 3,000, huge number of orders. So there is very high possibility for QQQ or NQ to move up again to the top. So what are the different ways you can make money now? One is, right, again, whenever this line turns green, we can go long on NQ. That is one way you can make profits with futures. So now the price, right, bounce the red line trying to go up. That means maybe next candle we may we may see this line turning to green. So let us just wait for few minutes and then we can take a buy signal. So one way is you can take NQ long, we can make profits. You can take MNQ if you are a low risk trader, right? You want to take low risk trades. You don't want the thousands of dollars. You are happy with $100 to $200 every day. MNQ is like a one tenth of the NQ, right? It is like a micro Nasdaq future. That means your risk and reward is only one tenth compared to NQ. So you can see that there is a doji. That means generally reversal of the trend. That means trend will reverse now. So you can take NQ long or MNQ long if you are a futures trader. If you are trading in prop firms like Apex or Tradify, FTT, My Funded Futures, there are so many different companies. You can we can take long here, right? Because everything is turning green. This price is going up, and right again, as I said, it came all the way to the bottom, touched the discount zone, trying to bounce. Right, your spy also making profits. Spy came to the bottom, trying to bounce up. Your NQ started bouncing up. So either you can be in 5 minutes, or when you know that okay, it is becoming bullish, you can also come to 1 minute, 1 minute time frame. So now this line is green. Whenever price comes to the green line, it will bounce up. Again, it came to the green line, it is bouncing up. If price comes to this green line, again it will bounce up. So if you miss the initial entry, right, this is a strong support. Whenever price came here, it went all the way up. Again, price came here, it went all the way up. So if you are a scalper, right, you don't want to take 5 minutes. You can also take trades in 1 minute, where whenever price comes here, and then you see it is going up, we can take a long position. So it is MNQ. Right, I took some 15 micros. I'm expecting MNQ to go up. Again, the reason is same thing. Now you can hold with patience, right? Because it is a bullish ticker. It came to the bottom, trying to bounce up. Where can be your targets? It can go somewhere until 482, 483 minimum. So now, right, especially when you have 35 150K accounts, you have a one is you have end of the day drawdown. That means you don't need to worry about small up and downs throughout the day. Only at the end of the day you are positive. That is good enough. You don't need to quickly book the profits. You can hold the trade because we know that it is a bullish. It came to the bottom. There is a very high possibility for even if it comes little bit down, again buyers will push it up. The price can go all the way to the top. So now I can hold this trade for next 1 hour, 1.5 hour. We'll easily make $300-400 or more with this trade. Right? You can also do QQQ bull put spreads. So in Q, it already made around $200. Right? It will make much more. Right? We have to just wait with patience because you see that buyers are increasing. So just hold with patience and then let now you got all the confidence. You looked at multiple things. One is it is a bullish ticker. It went to the top. It came to the bottom. It is at a discount area. That means always buyers always want to buy something at a discount price, right? We all like deals. You want to get the best value. So because it is a bullish ticker, if you know some price values are going up in Austin for houses, if you get a house for a nice discount, you will buy the house, right? In the same way, ES and Q are bullish today, and you got them at a nice price now. So there is a high possibility for price to go all the way to the top. So if you have 585 accounts, that is nearly you will make $1,000, right? If you just wait for a right setup. Again, scanner is helping you to do all those things, right? It is telling that okay, ES came to the bottom, NQ came to the bottom. If ES is at the bottom, NQ will be at the bottom, right? Because they both move in the same direction. So it is $600, 530, 640, 800. So even if I'm happy, right? $800 into five accounts is $4,000, right? If I'm only talking about 535 performance accounts. But if you also have Apex accounts, if you have my funded futures, or if you have something else, right, then you have right. It can go all right. This is where we have resistance, so it can go all the way there. Right? Not only futures, what you can do at the same time, you can buy EQQ stock. If you're a stock buyer, if NQ is going up, you can buy TQQ stock, and you can right. For example, some traders don't want to take options; they want to take only buy stocks and make profits. You can buy TQQ as a stock, right? It is going up. It came to $69. It is already 69.760, right? It can go all the way to $70. Or you can short SQQ. right? If TQQ is going up or QQQ is going up, SQQQ will come all the way down till here. Or you can do SPY calls, right? SPY is moving up, our bull put spread is making profits. Or you can do SPX. You can make nice profits with SPX calls. And also, if NQ is going up, your more some good stocks will start moving up, right? Microsoft started moving up. Mm, NQ moved nearly 30, 40, right? I took MNQ. If you took a NQ, you would have made more profits, right? As I said, minimum it will go from discount to equilibrium. It may also go till premium, right? But minimum is you can expect 50% more. It went all the way here. There might be some small drop, and again it will bounce back because, right, not everybody will wait until last minute. They will try to book the profits. So a lot of buyers might have seen that price is going up. They might have bought it, and once it starts dropping, they will take the or once they it went to 50% region, they will take the profits. Right? It may come little bit and again start moving up. So it is up to you, right? If you want to hold, you can hold until the premium area, or you take profits here, wait for a pullback, and again it starts moving up. Right? As I said, you can always use 1 minute, right? If you want to take multiple trades, use 1 minute time frame. Tesla also will start moving up. You can see that, right? It went up, came down, went so pull back, went up, pull back, went up, pull back, went up, pull back. Now again, if I see a green candle, I can again go long whenever I see it, or it may come touch this and then start moving up. So at the same time, you can make money with futures, you can make money with options, you can make money with stocks by looking at the same chart. If you are looking at NQ chart, it is like you are looking at NQ, you are looking at ES, you are looking at SPY, you are looking at SPX, you are looking at QQQ, you are looking at TQQ, you are looking at SQQ. One chart, we can make profit in different ways. Price will pull back and again start moving up. Again, I repeat, so what we are doing here, basically, this will tell us, the scanner will tell us which tickers are bullish, which tickers are bearish. If it is a bullish ticker and if it is a discount area, that is the best opportunity. So this is, it came to the discount area and then started moving up. And again, there are some sellers here. So price went all the way there because there were sellers. There is a small drop. Next time, if it comes here or if it starts moving up, Next time it may break this resistance. If there are more buyers than the sellers here, then second time, or it may drop one more time, and then next time it will break the resistance and go all the way to the top. And again, if you see discount area and also order block here, good to go long. So this is 1 minute time frame. So in 1 minute it came to the discount area and then it started moving up. It went to the premium area and then there are a lot of sell orders here. So price, you can book your profits here. When price is close to this area, then you just close. Then all you need is wait for this area and also, so if you see the green block, that means buy orders. If you see the yellow block, that means sell orders, right? Or use price pulse. You have 822 orders, 780 orders. It was a bounce back, and again this time it may go all the way till here. So if you see these ones, that means there are more and more buyers. More buyers are adding. So your ES is moving good. I'm expecting NQ to go all the way to the top. Even if it comes back, it will, this line will push the price to the top. So the line is green. All your SMAs, EMAs are green. You have a lot of bullish momentum. So, right, this is a green line. This is a green line. Right, I disable the. So there is a high possibility for NQ to go all the way minimum till here. So now you can also buy QQQ option calls. Mm, If you want low risk, you can do bull put spreads for October 4th. You can sell 482 or 479 and 482 for tomorrow. QQQ bull put spread. You can collect $115. 'If NQ starts moving up, your ES also will start moving up. Right, again you can see everything is green here, it is green here, the line is green here. So whenever it is everything is green, if price comes back, it will push the price to the top. So my minimum target is 57, 57. Because this candle is very big, there might be a small retracement, but overall it will go up. It is another $150 with each account. If you have five accounts, that is $750. Now, if I go to NQ, that is another $500. So, right, your QQQ bull put is making profits, your SPY bull put is making profits, right? If you bought TQQ stocks, that is making profits. Or if you bought calls for TQQ, that is making profits. If you shorted SQQ, that is making profits. Or if you bought puts for SQQ, that will make profits. So all you are looking at just one chart. Right? Again, I repeat what we did. So initially we saw now NQ bullish at the premium zone. Right? Earlier it was NQ bullish at a discount zone, ES bullish at a discount zone. So wait for such opportunities where you see if it is a bullish ticker and if it is a discount zone, that means that is a very good offer, right? Earlier it came here, it went all the way to the top. Now again it went, there might be a pullback. So if you find any tickers where it is bullish and also it is a discount zone, they are the best opportunities. Or you see something bearish and if it is at a premium, right? For example, 6B1, it is a bearish ticker and it is at a premium zone. That means we know that the trend is bearish and it went to the top. There is a pullback. Because of the pullback, it went to the top. So if I go to 6B1, again, we don't trade British pound on all these things, but just for example, right? We mainly, if you focus on NQ, that is good enough. Every day you can make $400, right? Within last few minutes, we made over $1,000, right? With MNQ, we made $600, 700. With NQ, we made 200, 300. That is only with one account. If you have five accounts, you would have made $3,000, 4,000. If you have 10 accounts, right? With Tradify five accounts, Apex some five accounts, that is 10,000. If you have uh, right, because there are 20, 30 different companies like Tradify. So if you take time to practice, if you take time to understand, there is a huge potential, right? Even if we do a job for next 20 years, our salaries will not go up. But here, if you take time to practice and right, you start with a sim account, you take in a paper account, and so again, now you have so many things, right? Here the line is green. Here everything is green. Here the line is green. Then we went bullish, and also our scanner gave us an indication that ES will move up, NQ will move up. So, and then we saw that when the scanner told that will move up, we went and we saw that, oh, okay, yes, there are a lot of buyers there, or NQ, there are a lot of buyers there. We bought the, right, when it came to the bottom to the discount area, it gave us an indication saying like ES is a bullish ticker, it is at a bottom. And then we went long, we took a bull put spread. Right? We can also take calls, but for a low risk opportunity, we took the bull put spread. So ES went all the way up, NQ went all the way up. Again, where do you think NQ can reverse back? Yeah, you can see a lot of buyers, right? All these green boxes are more and more buyers. So whenever price touches that box, again it will bounce up. Again, price touch the box, it will bounce up. So there is a high possibility for NQ to go till this point, 20,068. and then drop. But we don't need to even wait until last minute. Even right for bull put spreads, yeah, we can take profits here for your. But even if you are making $200-300 with each account, that is nearly $1,500 to $2,000 in 1 hour, right? We just took trades within 1 hour. We made more than $1,000 with each account, and you can multiply it as much as you want. So I hope it is clear for everyone. So same thing, right? For stocks, you will look for example, Microsoft, right? Earlier we saw that Microsoft was bullish. So you can see that it went all the way to the top, right? It came to the discount area, right? It can go all the way till earlier Microsoft bullish. It was at a discount area. So you can buy calls, you can do a bull put spread, or you can sell the puts, right? Because so, so if it is bullish, it should be discount. If it is bearish, it should be at a premium. They are the best opportunities. So you can use the same strategy for stocks, options, futures, right? You can buy Microsoft stock here and make $1-2 in 1 hour with 100 stocks, that is $200, right? Or you buy the calls with a low investment, and if it moves up, you make nice profits. Or you do a bull put spread if it goes up, right? Again, somewhere here, there might be a reversal. So just right, this would have made 20-30% profits on the Microsoft calls. If you bought 415 call, 420 call, this would have made nice profits. So like this, right, your step one, start the scanner, identify the tickers. If it is a bullish ticker, discount, we want discount. If it is a bearish ticker, we want premium. Wait for such opportunities, right? If you can make $1,000 in 1 hour, you don't need to rush and take somewhere in between, right? You either wait to sell at the top or you wait to buy at the bottom. And that too, if the trend is bullish and if you get at the bottom, that is the best opportunity. If the ticker is bearish, if you can sell at the top, that is the best opportunity. So you look for where trend is bullish and proximity should be discount. Or trend is bearish, proximity should be premium. Then just take it and you can hold with confidence, right? Even if it goes down 100 $200 loss futures, we did not worry because we know that, right, you are following a proper system, proper approach. You know that it will move up. So we were not worried, and then you made huge profits. You can see that it went up, went up, went up, right? So step one, identify the tickers, wait for that condition. Then you just take it and you hold it. So then you don't need to worry about losses, right? Unless there is sudden news somewhere. Otherwise, we'll make profits. So your spy is making nice profits. Your QQQ bull put spread is making nice profits. So price coming to the green line, going up. Price coming to the green line, going up. So if you missed the initial buy, right, you got a buy signal, strong buy signal, then wait for these opportunities. Whenever price comes to the bottom, again it will go long. Price touch the bottom, again going. So if this resistance is broken, then there is a high possibility for 5 minutes. Yeah, it may go again to 20,100. Crude oil is in a consolidation, right, because it went all the way to the top. Sellers are trying to bring it down, buyers are trying to take it up. So everything is green here, even though it is overbought, right? Because whenever there is war tension, there will be a lot of right. There will be huge demand for, especially it is Iran and Iraq, where you have all the oil production. So that's why there is a huge. So even though it went to the overbought, still buyers are trying to take it up. So anyone has any questions before we stop the session? You can post in the chat window. So your SPY made a huge profits. SPY bull put, QQQ bull put, right? We bought somewhere here. It went all the way to the top. So you can book profits on both SPY and the QQQ. So yeah, I'm going through the questions. So now it went all the way to the top, right? So there is a possibility for again it may come all the way to it. But because it is bullish, you don't want to short it, right? Because overall trend of ES and Q is bullish. So it is little risky to go against the trend, but you can book the profits. It came to the discount, went to the premium, and there are some lot of sell orders here. Big players are trying to sell it off. So we are booking the profits. So if there are more buyers, it can still go high, but you don't need to wait until last minute to book the right? You already made 30-40% profits. Just book the gains. Uh, Okay, what is level 1 and level 2? So basically that means level 1 bullish, level 2 bullish, level 3 bullish. That means it is level 1 bullish now because there was a big drop. It started run, so right, this is level 2 bearish, level 3 bearish, and then from after level 3 again it will go to level 1. Again it is now level 2 bullish. That means extreme bullish. It is mild bullish, very bullish, very strong. If it is level 3, then it is very strong bullish like that. So if it is green color, that means the trend is bullish. If it is red color, the trend is bearish. And if you see this yellow, that means there lot of big players are trying to sell off there. If you see green color, big players are trying to buy there. So next question is okay, for beta I'll go right. Basically, I added some colors, background colors, so that right, if the trend is bullish, I want to make sure you go long. Right, if the color is blue, that means overall trend is bullish. Right, only try to go long, or but don't go short when the trend is very bullish. If the trend is red, right, for example, you got a sell signal, the trend background color is red. Right, you can change whichever color you want. Because the major problem is most of the time you go against the trend. That is where the problem is. When the color is green, you can buy the calls, you can do bullish bull put spreads. And if you see the majority of the color is green on the screen, right? You have small pullbacks, but mainly it is green. So you try to be mainly on the bullish side. Don't go shorts on this day, right? Unless you are very experienced trader, you can scalp quickly just to stay bullish. Or for example, if you go to crude oil, what is the color you see? Right? You got a buy, it is green color. Unless you are at a strong resistance, you see a sell signal close to the resistance, don't go short. Because if there are more number of buyers, your resistance can be broken. But you don't go against the trend. If everything is green, even though you have a resistance, they may break the resistance and go all the way to the next support or next resistance. And then again, I already told you what we need to do. If the stock, so your step one is you look for the stocks which are bullish and discount. For example, COP is at bullish and discount. XOM is at bullish and discount, right? So if it is bullish and at discount, that is very good opportunity. If it is bearish and at premium, that is very good opportunity. So as of now, we have COP, XOM at bullish and discount. So now step one is done. Right now you go to COP and check in the beta or not the beta price pulse. So COP You can see that it went all the way to the top and then it came all the way down. Now you can see that there are some buyers here, 2.84 thousand buyers. Right, it came to the bottom, to the discount area. Right, this is the discount area. Now you can buy the stock, you can buy the calls, you can sell the puts, you can do the bull put spread. It will go all the way to the top again, or minimum till this point. Right, COP, you can buy the calls, or you can do the bull put spread, or you can do, yeah, you can sell the puts. You can make money in different ways. Then XOM, again it was very bullish this morning, right? 123 went until $123. And then there was a profit booking. People booked the profits. It came to the discount area. Now it started moving up. So again, for low risk, you can do bull put spreads if you are a low risk trader. If you are a high risk trader, you can buy the calls. You can buy, or if it comes to this point, that is the best time, right? You have 12.5, 6,000 buy orders, 12,000 buy orders. Yeah, still, there is a possibility for it to go up. If we see one nice bullish candle, it can go minimum until 122.6. You'll make easily 10%, 15% profits. So now you can see there are some new buyers, 1.087K buyers, right? You can see new buyers. Exam 122 call. Options. Exam 122 call is around 1.25. Uh, 1.25 for yeah, for this Friday. For this. So it means keep going up. Exam, 'Exam' is moving good. 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 'Exam' is Already nearly 10% up. On Tradify, you cannot do options. You have firms like tradefundrr.com. There you can do stocks and options. You have to see the buy and sell orders. You need to have either you need to connect to a Tradify account or Apex account, or you should have data plan with TradingView. Then you will see the buy orders, sell orders. If you have those indicators like price pulse or you have three indicator plan, five indicator plan. If you get the three indicator plan, you will get any three indicators. If you get five indicator plan, you will get five indicators. Yeah, Zom is making nice profits. Uh, so if all the oil companies are going good, then XLE will make nice profits. XLE. Yeah, we have setup sessions. Whenever we have some new members, we do setup sessions and we help members to set up the indicators. Is looking bullish. Exam is going very good. POP is going good. Yeah, we are using this software is called as TradingView software. You can have a free subscription, but you can only have two indicators. Right? For example, you can use only DS and price pulse. So if you take a three indicator plan, You can get a DS and price per right already, right, with the SPY, QQQ, with the COP or XOM, right? Even if you took 3 4 contracts also, it made $200 300 plus. So right, again, you can go with the 2 3 indicator plan or 5 indicator plan. If you go with uh, three three indicator, right? If you want to free plan from trading view, you can use up to 2 indicators. Otherwise, you can pay $10 or something to trading view per month. You can use up to 5 different indicators. So each indicator has different advantages. Like if you want to use stocks, you can use one indicator, or you want futures, you can use one. Or if you want to know like where there are a lot of buyers and sellers, right? This is showing that there are a lot of buyers here, and it can go all the way to the top. And then again, right? How many trading prop firms you want to trade? It is up to you. If you want to use only Tradify, you want to use only Apex. Apex recently they are giving little tough time in the payout, so that's why we are mainly using Tradify, where you can directly start trading futures and start making profits from day one. That means in Apex you have to first complete a challenge and then they will give you a performance account. Then you can make profits. But in Tradify directly you can get the performance accounts and you can make profits. So there are different companies like Tradify where you can directly get the performance accounts, but you always start with one practice. You can use Trading View, right? For example, if you go to Trading Panel, you have paper trading. So you can practice on a paper trading account in Trading View using the indicators. And once you gain confidence, once you learn as part of live sessions, then you can connect to a Tradeovate account, or if you have a live IBKR account, or you have a Webull account, you can connect to them directly. You can take the trades here. You can buy the stocks, or you can buy the options. You can do futures, whatever you want. Yeah, if you need to change any indicators, you can join the setup sessions. We'll have a setup session today at 7 p.m. Central. Our target for exam is $123, right? This is where you have some good number of sellers. So once it reaches around $123, we can take profits on the 122 call. There are different companies for, right? Most of the companies allow futures, but there are companies like TradeFundRR.com which will allow stocks and options. There you can trade stocks and options. You can use the same indicators for anything, whichever you want. You can use, and you can make gains. NQ, yeah, because there was a lot of big up move, down moves. There will be some consolidation for some time. And right, once you make some, so try to have a target, daily target, $500, $1,000 per account. And once you meet the target, stop trading. right? Because these companies also have consistency rule. That means you should not make some huge profits on one day and make small profits on other days. So that's why you have something like, okay, $500 in each account is your daily target. Once you meet the 500, if you have five accounts, that is $2,500 done for the day. Stop trading for the day, and again next day again do the same thing, right? Especially if you trade between 6 to 8 in the morning, or 8 to 10, or even 7 to 10 in the evening, it will be much more easy. There won't be sudden drops or sudden, you can follow the same strategies. It will be little, right? You need more patience, but there won't be huge volatility. You won't see sudden big drop in one candle during that time. For new traders, those timings are best. If you are an experienced trader, these timings, morning 9 to 11 central, 11:30 central, they are the best timings. If you are new traders, then morning 6 to 8, or yeah, and just you need to wait for the same setup. Wait for the premium to go down, wait for the discount to go up with a proper confidence. So if you also see buy orders, then that means price will go up. So price came here, then you have buy orders, then price will go up. Again, it may go here, price will again come down. You can get replicant software, right, with a bulk discount, you get it for $100 for lifetime license. If you yeah, if you directly buy from them, it will be $150. So generally, whenever we have 10 members interested, we do a bulk license, right? We get a bulk discount. So now we have three or four members who are looking. If we have another six members, we can get the bulk discount. So that $100 will help you to copy, right? Not only within Tradify, you can copy from Tradify to Apex, you can copy from Tradify to My Funded Futures. There are nearly 20-30 firms where you can copy the trade, right? When you are watching, waiting for a good setup and taking the trade, then even you make $100, but with 20-30 accounts, that will be $3,000. Right? All you need is just wait for a good setup where there is a good buy order block or sell order block. That's it. So don't trade in between, right? Because in between it can go up, it can go down. As I said, all you need is wait for those. So JPM bearish discount, Apple bearish discount. So if you, all we need is bullish discount or bearish premium. So if you are finding something at discount area and also you see a lot of buy orders, if you do a bull put spread, your risk is minimal, right? Even if stock stays choppy, you will make money. Stock stays little bit down, you will make money. If stock goes up, you will make money. Right? Again, when it comes here, you take the profits when there is a big sell order block, right? Amazon, Microsoft. When you do a bull, right? Price came to the discount area, you do a bull put spread. There are a lot of buyers here. So Mastercard is bearish and at a premium zone. Google is also premium. bearish and premium, right? So they are good opportunities for a need it little bit up. So if it goes little bit up, there can be a big drop again. We can buy the puts. So overall trend is bearish, but there was a pullback. Now it went to the top. We need to just wait a little bit and then it will drop again all the way. Same thing with Google. So price went all the way to the top. There is a high possibility for a drop, but also need to look with is there a big sell orders here? You can see there is a $24,000, 24,000 sell orders premium zone. Now it went all the way to the top. That means overbought. So there is a high possibility for a drop, but if we want, we can wait for the line to turn to red. Whenever it turns to red, you can buy the puts. You can do a bear call spread. Then it will come all the way to the bottom. So this, if it can go to 167, that is very strong resistance. But it may also drop from here. So step one. So this is your step one. Identify the tickers where you have bearish at premium or bullish and discount. That is step one is done. Step two, go here and also check if you have any major buy orders or sell orders. If you want to short something, that means if it is bearish in premium, you should see a sell order block. If it is bullish and a discount, you need to see good buy order blocks. So that is step two. Then step three. Now you also see this one, right? You can see that, okay, it went all the way. Here it was oversold. It went all the way to the top. Now it is overbought. That means it can come all the way down. So whenever this line turns red, you buy the puts or you do bear call spread. If you do bear call spread, it is very low risk. You will easily make 20%, 30% by end of the day, right? Because even if it stays choppy, also you'll make profits. If you buy puts and if it starts dropping immediately, then you will make much more 60, 70% profits. But if it stays choppy, you lose when you buy a naked puts. When you do a bear call spread, and if it starts dropping, or even if it stays choppy, or even if it stays little bit up also, you will make profits with a bear call spread. But this is step three where you will wait for price to turn to red. Then immediately you can buy the puts or you can do a bear call spread. So Google, then MA. So price went all the way to the top now. So whenever this turns to red, that is the best time to short it or buy the puts. Most of the brokerage platforms allow bear call or bull put spreads. You can use Thinkorswim or IBKR, or there are, yeah, even Robinhood or Webull, all the platforms. There is one more way, but right again, doing manual is where you have full control. For example, I enabled algo, Prism algo. So where the algo will take the buy and sell signals. Whenever there is a buy, automatically it will take the buy trades. You don't need to keep watching it. But only problem is suddenly there is some sudden news or sudden big red candles, or so that is where you have little risk. Right? RTY made nearly $190. I did not take it manually. I just enabled right for NQ. I will manually take the trades because NQ is so volatile. So whereas this one, yeah, I enable the Prism algo. You can enable on MNQ. You can enable Prism algo. That will automatically take the trades whenever there is a buy or sell. Only when it is choppy, the algos you will have some problem. So if I want, I can just close the position. Right. One way is you just follow the strategy I explained, where you will have much more success. Or right, you have full control. You can use it for stocks, options, currencies, whatever you want, cryptos, India stocks, whatever you want, you can do. All you need is right. We studied 15 years, 20 years to make 50K, 100K per annum. If you take few weeks, or right, some members can quickly grasp it. They will start making profits within few weeks. Few members may need little more time, but all you need is understand the strategy. Right? It is just simple three steps. Identify the tickers which are bullish and which are at a discount, or identify tickers which are bearish and at a premium zone. Step one. The scanner will give it. You don't need to do anything. Scanner will say that okay, this is bearish and premium. So Google will go down now. In the next few minutes, we may see Google somewhere around 165, right? And then second step, go to price pulse and see, okay, scanner is telling Google will go down, but you want a double confirmation. Now you also see that yes, it is at premium, and also the lot of big companies are trying to sell it. 24,000 sell orders, right? So that also gave us confidence that okay, Google will go down. And now go here and just check Google. Mhm. It went all the way to the top. That means overbought. So there is a high possibility. So whenever it is at the bottom, good to go long. Whenever it is at the top, good to go short. Green turn to red. That means if you want a low risk trade, you do bear call spreads. Or you want to make more profits with little more risk, you buy the puts. You buy 166 put here for this Friday or coming Friday, and if stock starts dropping immediately, you'll make nice profits. Right? You can see that already it dropped 20-30 cents. So 20-30 cents drop is nearly you'll make 10% profit with the puts. So you can buy 166 puts. Google 167, 165 puts at 73 cents for tomorrow. Because price is dropping below this and price is at the top here. So there is a high possibility for it to minimum by tomorrow it will come all the way bottom. That means it may come all the way to minimum 165.4 by today, end of the day, or by tomorrow we'll see minimum 165.4. Yeah, that's it everyone. Again, right? All you need is to practice those four steps and then just wait with patience. We can consistently make profits with stocks or options or futures. Once all those rules satisfy, then just yeah, give time for it to move up or move down. And price will not just move in one direction; it will keep going up, right? For three, four candles, it went up. Then doing some consolidation again, it will go up. You can see a lot of big players are buying here, big players are buying here, and then big players will sell here. So just we need to wait with patience until here or here, and you can book the profits on exam calls. Apple, so your first preference is if it is bullish at the bottom. That is our first preference. Second preference is the trend should be bearish and it should be at the top. The third preference is if it is discount but it is bearish, then you can go and check Apple. Overall trend is bearish, but it came to a bottom. We can go and check. As of now, there are still a lot of sellers. So if I go to price pulse and see, you can see a lot of sellers. Still, there is no right. If it comes somewhere to this price, to $23, then we can go long. Until that time, it can drop further. So by tomorrow, I'll see somewhere here $223, 223.4 or 223.5. It's still going up. Crude oil can go to 74.2. That is where you have sellers. And this is where we have buyers, 71. Every point is $1,000. From 70. So if it breaks this 74 resistance, then it can go to $76. Because of the war tension, there is a high possibility for it to, but it won't directly straightly go there. Right? It will go touch that, then come back, and then next time it will go all the way to the top. So your oil stocks also will keep going up. So, so we also have a channel for long-term stocks. If you don't want to buy stocks every day, but if you want to buy some good stocks for long term, also we provide and whenever some good stocks are at a very discounted price, we give those alerts. You can hold them for few weeks or few months. Yesterday we got Slumberjay, we got Exam, we got COP, different stocks, and everything is going good today. RNA also should start moving up. So until you see those yellow blocks, that means it is still bullish, right? Don't just think that okay, it is at the top. Let me short it. Right? It should be a premium, and also there should be a sell order block. Here only somewhere here we see the sell orders. So that means there is still potential to go up. Copper is bearish and at a premium. Let us look at copper. You can see copper overall it is bearish. It went to the top, so there is a high possibility for a drop. Right. So your step one is done. You identified that copper is one of a good ticker to short it. Now your step two, go to price pulse and see, okay, do you have some sell orders? Yes, we have some sell orders here. That means there is a possibility. So this morning it was dropping all the way. Then there is a pullback. So there is a possibility for a drop. So step two is done. Now your step three, your Google is dropping. Go to copper. May go little bit up. So wait for it to turn to red, and then you can easily make $200, $300 profit with each account. That's it, right? It all takes 1 minute to identify which ticker, and then now you wait. Whenever this line turns red, you can short it and make 100 to 100 easily, minimum $200. It is at a resistance now, but because this line is still green, we are just giving some time. Right? Or you go to 1 minute. 1 minute, it went all the way to the top. But you have to be a quick scalper if you have to use 1 minute. Otherwise, as I suggested, just to stay in 5 minutes and wait for the line to turn to this line and this line to turn to red. You might get little late entry, but it will be a strong signal. Minimum it will come. So I shorted at 5560. I kept my buy orders at 5545, 540. So expecting a drop until here because it is already at the top. One more example, another $100 plus. Again, it can come all the way down, but even if we make $100 with 5 accounts, it is $500. Right? We saw the sell orders. Right? If you want to wait for a swing, then you go 5 minutes. Or if I want to do quick scalping, make some quick $50, $60, I can go to 1 minute. I saw that the line is red. This line is red. I saw there is a strong resistance here. And then I took it. So again, price came down, went up. So this line will always act as a resistance. It will push the price down. So because this line is red, I want to take a quick profit. I quickly book the profit. Google is dropping. %10 on Google puts. Yeah, you can put stop loss, target, everything for the algos. Copper is dropping. Yeah, this would have made another $300 in each account, but I hope you are getting the confidence, right? We saw so many examples today. Google should drop to nearly $165. Walmart, Google, both should make nice profits in some time. Yeah, you can use the algo strategies for India market or US market. Price action is same for anything. You can do the same thing for. Gain comes to this point. That's a huge. You can buy calls. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So, yeah, I'll mention whenever I book profits on Walmart and Google. So, we already booked profits on SPY, QQQ, Bull Put Spreads. We are holding Google puts and Walmart puts and Zom calls. I'll post when I take the profit. They should make nice profits. Google and Walmart should make in next half an hour, 1 hour. Zom should make by tomorrow. For India stocks, you can do in IBKR or you can do in Zerodha. You can see the levels and follow the same strategy. And again, if you go here, trading panel, you can see different companies of India also. And you can select one of those companies. So directly you can trade in. Yeah, I think yeah, there are some brokerages where you can take for India accounts. Have a nice rest of the day, everyone. I'll post if there are any new setups I see. I'll post them in the options channel. Whenever I close Walmart and Google Zom, I'll post in US equities. Okay, everyone, right? All you need is some few days of practice. You should be able to make nice profits every day.